Welcome to the D chord. Right here we have the D chord. It is a pretty simple chord, but again, like the G chord, it forces you to squeeze your fingers. The way I have it written out, you want your first finger here on the string closest to you, the fourth string. You want your middle finger right next to it, same fret on the third string. And you want your ring finger right next to that, same fret on the second string. This one you really have to check. Is each note real clear? Now I've got relatively big hands and I can squeeze it on, so I know you can too. But if you're really struggling, I've also seen people play it with just barring one finger down. That ends up actually being a little bit trickier. I would also see people sometimes using their one finger to smash down two strings, but then you can run the risk of blocking a string. So try real hard, get all of them down, squeeze them in like that. That's your D chord. You want to make that a D7 chord? Just lift up your middle finger and you've got that sound right there. So that's your D chord and your D7 chord, like so.